Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to my channel, Mystical Annie. So, today's reading is about no contact, no communication for Capricorn. So, let's see what are the cards have for you. And this is a general reading, guys. Please see how it resonates with you. If not, you can ignore the readings. For more accurate and personal readings, you can reach out to me. So, let's see what the cards have for you here. Okay. So, the current energy between the person and you with whom you are not in contact is the Emperor. Okay, so I think here the current energy is about focusing on, you know, on the current difficult situation you might be having, and you are dealing with the situation in a very brave manner, and you are not giving up. Okay, you are like, I'm a fighter and I can deal with this. That's a very good energy. There's so much of masculine energy, basically, I would say, is what I see. It can also be like not giving up on the situation. Okay, you are holding on, you're not able to let go, and you're holding on to it, that I can make it work out. I can, uh, I can definitely, get this connection work out. Okay, so it's like, even if it's a difficult situation, it's an earthquake situation, you are not giving up, right? So that's a very good energy. So let's see what does the person think about you. Okay, so the person feel happy. The person really feel happy. You make them, whenever they think about you, they feel like a happy child. You see how the happy kid is, right? Dancing and roaming around everywhere happily, right? No worries, no fear. So that is the kind of energy they feel when they think about you. You make them feel happy. You make them feel, confident. It's like you bring light in their life whenever they think of you. Okay, that is also the energy I feel for from the person. Let's see what does this person feel for you, my dear Capricorn. So the person here feels stable with you. The person feels that they have this, stability when they are with you. Also, not stability not only at I'm talking about material level. Stability here I'm talking about is the way you deal with the situation, the way you handle things in a mature way, that kind of make this person feel secure. Okay, that they are somehow, how the kid is, like the child knows the father will take care of everything, right? It's just an example, not creating a father daughter relation here, just giving an example. So here it's like the person feels very, secure when they are with you. They know, my Capricorn will deal with it, my Capricorn will take care of it, I don't have to worry about the situation. Okay, that is how somewhere they feel for you and feel about you. Okay, now let's see why this person has gone silent. If everything is good, why they have gone silent and not reaching out? Okay, the Hermit. So I think they have everything, like my Capricorn will take care of the issue, my person will handle the situation in a mature manner, but somewhere they feel lack of emotional connect. Okay, somewhere they feel that there is a lack of emotional connection between you guys. Okay, somewhere I think they want some space, they want some time alone, so that they can figure out what do they really look for in a connection. Okay, it's like they want to throw light within themselves and see how, where the situation is heading to, and what is missing, and how they can deal with it. Is it like running in their head, or is it actually the situation? Okay, which I think there is some lack of emotional connect, and that is why this person has kind of distant themselves to figure out their own emotions, their own needs, and taking some time off, taking, creating some space so that they can listen to their inner voice instead of the outside noise. Okay, so that is why they are kind of not reaching out, and they have gone silent in the situation, because they need to listen to what their inner voice is saying. Basically, they are trying to figure out what is that they are looking for. Okay, let's see why, what is blocking this connection. See here, as I said, right, the lack of emotional availability. Here it's the same thing. I think somewhere, there is, maybe at times either you or your person's energy gets immature at an emotional level, that one of you kind of lose temper and say, grow up, you are not a kid anymore, right? I don't know why I'm saying kid again and again in this reading, but it's happening. So it's like one or the other person in the connection might say to grow up and not behave in an immature manner. That is also I feel. And but for this person or for you, it's like you need that emotional connect, that caring, nurturing, right? Pure innocent connection. And importance here is the masculine energy, that taking the charge of a situation is good, but the emotional connect is equally important, right? So you need to they somewhere are looking for this emotional connect which is missing, and that is why they are kind of delaying this connection and figuring out what do they want, and that is what is causing the blockage in the connection, because they are looking for emotion exchange of emotions, rather than only focusing on materialistic thing. Okay, so they are basically looking for an emotional connection, which is somewhere I feel they think is missing in this connection, and they want some time off to understand, and that is why they are not reaching out and this connection is blocked. Okay, let's see what is the next move, if any, in next 1 to 2 weeks from now. So I think the movement may be slow, even if it is happening, I don't see really, but it is happening. It can be very slow movement, it can be just, hi, hello, can we talk, can we reach out, can we meet, something like that, but not clearly expressing what is happening. Okay, because this person or you are trying to you know understand how to initiate the communication and how to express what do you want from this connection. Okay, how you can work out on things. So you and your person both needs to work out, and this person is basically working out on how to deal with the situation, not hurting your emotions, not hurting themselves, but rather to see how you can make things work out together. Okay, so they are working on themselves, they need some time so that they have the clarity on what do they want in this connection, and how they can make it how they can make you understand what do they expect. Okay, so there can be a very little bit of communication, may not be at a deeper level, but because they are still trying to figure out how do they can express themselves. Let's see what is the advice for you, Capricorn, here. Okay, so advice for you here is to focus on the long term growth. Okay, if you are carrying a family legacy or something, you are advised to look for that connection. You are advised to focus on your family and long term stability both. You may also be in a family, a big family, where big joint family, where everybody lives together happily, right? So there can be something where you may have to make some decisions where you are not breaking that legacy, not breaking the tradition of the family, and at the same time work on your growth and stability, focusing on what you want in this connection. Okay, so just listen to your intuition and take the calculated step towards what you want, and keeping in mind that you need to focus on your stability and growth. Okay, so that was a general reading, guys. So if you have liked it, please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Bye bye.